In today's tutorial, we are going to create an awesome decorative typography effect in Illustrator. First, type your text using the Type tool. Go to the Effect menu, Stylize, and click Scribble. You can keep the default settings. Next, go to Object, Expand Appearance. Now select your decorative vector artwork. Right click and choose Ungroup All. Make a few duplicate copies of the vector design so you can use them around the text. Now select one of the vector elements. Click on Object on Path icon. Then click on Text. Repeat the same process with other vector shapes to create a stylish decorative typography effect. Finally, select only the text and reduce the stroke size. Zero. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tips and creative tutorials.